Hello, my name is Sue Smith and I'm a brand ambassador for docrafts. I'd like to show you some fun dressing up ideas for Halloween. 3 simple projects that you could make for trick-or-treating or parties. The first one is this skull eye patch. This is really easy to make and we've got the Craft Planet felt sheets here that are good to use. Okay, we're going to use this die, the Mexican skull. So we're going to cut this out of the felt. I'll show you how lovely this die cuts as well. Pop it on our machine on the setting that you would use for paper and card. Cuts really well. Okay, fuzz this through. There, look, it's come out already. If you just slightly pull it apart, you can see where it is actually cut, and then you can grab the little bits or poke them out with your craft knife. But it cuts beautifully. So cut 2 of these, one from orange and then another one from red. And what we're going to do is to just place the red behind the orange, just to give it that sort of spooky readiness behind. Okay. I've made a sort of a quick template out of cardboard just so that I can draw around it with a pencil on white felt, and then that can easily be cut out. Cut 2 of these just to make the eye patch a bit sturdier. I have actually machine stitched around the edge, incorporating just some haberdashery elastic. Or you could simply glue it and then just perhaps put a couple of hand stitches either side just to hold it in place. The Anita's tacky glue is adequate to use. Just blob pieces on and then stick it straight down. And then the red one. Well, the red goes underneath the orange. Swap them over. There, and then that's that project complete. Quick and easy. Okay, the second project is some Halloween monster gloves. You can dress up and go for that nice scary gloves. Okay. To start off with, just cut some sort of triangular shapes for the scary claws. They're wide enough to go across the finger of the glove, so they can just simply be glued and placed on. Don't glue right to the tip because we want the tip to overhang the glove, the top of the glove, and you can go to town. Create any scary monster or fun monster you like. I've got a sort of a wiggly shape here. Spread the Anita's tacky glue. Sticks really well to felt, and it's good because it doesn't show through onto the front either. So create some eyes. I think it's quite nice to create a white eye and then a little black piece for the pupil. Children can also, have a go with this as well. I like to create eyelids just to make them look sort of, I don't know, like dopey looking really, tired and dopey. Bring out their characters. Got black mouth piece and some little fang teeth. It's really quick to build up a funny looking face. Let's have a tongue as well. Stick a tongue out. There. And then on this one, we're using the wiggly eyes. They're really fun to use as well. So you can get creative with those. And then also, I've created a bat wing headband. I'll show you how to make this. There is a template available on docrafts.com for the wings and the central band piece, so you can create a template from that. And then that can easily be used with the black felt. That's it. I actually draw around it like with a white pencil so you can see it against the black, and then just cut that out. Then if you grab a scrap piece of card to place it on, and this time we're going to use the Craft Planet PVA glue, because this is a perfect consistency for the, does two jobs, for the glitter, and it also stiffens the felt slightly so the wings stick up. So apply loads and then spread it around with a paintbrush. I've got like a quite nice flat bristled brush here. Spread it all around, use it liberally, like so. Get to the edges. When that's covered in the glue, if we place it, if you get glue on there, on another piece of card, folded in half so that we can catch the glitter. This is Paper Mania glitter, fine glitter. Sprinkle away, use plenty. And then when that dries, that will stiffen the felt and add the glitter to the bat wings, which I have already done with one over here. How fabulous is that? Right then, the headband. To decorate the headband is really simple. You need to fold the top back and then create a pleat. And then you've got this sort of tab at the bottom. Okay, you can, with the Nita's tacky glue, add some glue to the folds just to keep it in place. Yeah, try a little bit on the glittered surface. Put plenty of glue on the undersurface there. Then on the top of the headband, sit it on the top and then just fold the tab underneath, just to help hold it in place so it doesn't sort of slip either side. I mean, you can place it on the top or to one side, totally up to you. And then with the tab, add plenty of glue to the underside of this, because this is going to hold it all together as well. And then that just starts off on the top, wrap it round underneath. Pinch it to hold it together and that will dry nicely. And then that's a nice... Shake the glitter off, gets everywhere. Right, let's go through the projects again and I'll show you them dressed up. Let's put them on. The Mexican skull eye patch. That's it. And the bat wing headband. And the monster gloves. Right. There. Have fun. Thank you for joining me.